what server we in right now?
They know what's up with me, they know I bring them racks out. I ain't coming in a strip club, that's just packed out. Pull up in that what's the name, they gon' pass out. What the fuck? Think I'm cheating, next time she ain't there. Don't get your head in the rock, you gotta make it straight. Bitch, you like she never ate. She can't stand.
Yo, what's up with you? Lock him up! Now we go. Scott, Infinity, F-150, Challenger in the back, 5.7, 300. Man, look who finally outside. Look who finally outside, dude. Y'all ain't see this nigga in months. Ain't see this nigga in months.
You know, this shit a hard-working man, bro. Ooh, hey, what we eating today? What we eating?
I ain't never seen niggas. I don't know what that is.
Wait, let me put the camera on.
I ain't gonna actually kind of look dry. No. Bring it back, bring it back.
That shit wet. Hold on.
I might wide body it after I tune it, bro.
What the fuck be wrong with this nigga? Car, he did this shit the first time at the bowling alley, car. Play the clip. No! Niggas. I'm not running behind that damn car, bitch. Watch him fall over, bitch. Watch both fall over.
One leg.
Shut the fuck up.
Alright, bro. I'm eating the whole week. I'm eating the whole week.
You don't need to eat the whole week. I said you don't gotta eat the whole week.
He said I'm eating the whole Niggas still frozen like this. Like, what the fuck?
We just made it to the damn pit. This ain't even the pit, but shit, we made it.
I just got my girl back, yo.
One leg.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh yeah, Scotty Patty, cause he got out hanging out that bitch. So we got been making movies though, man. We got the lights, camera, action. Come on. We go Infinity, we go Scott Pat, man. Cause that nigga ghost hanging out the goddamn passenger, man. Come on. He said,
motherfucking eyes that I don't keep. I turn me up and I geek. This is an everyday thing. I'm making money.
he popped them bitches,
You got bird phone, nigga.
Popped them bitches.
Act like he free that
He
motherfucker
popped
now.
them
Hey.
bitches. He popped them bitches. You talking about legal activities?
What's up, man? I don't know who phone I grabbed, but shit, they got the best. Oh, shit.
What the fuck?
Yeah, they're definitely calling. They're definitely calling the cops.
Tired of looking around when I need someone to call and just
His do the same thing mine do a little bit. Nah, it's an 8.
but that never stressed me out. It taught me how to be my feet. Trying to stress this shit here. I need all grounds to the teeth. It ain't a thing that cross my motherfucking eyes that I don't keep. I don't feel about this pill, turn me up and now I'm geek. This shit is an everyday thing. I'm making money all through the week. This bitch is got a nigga bored. She trying to be.
Man, it's been a minute. Right now, drop back some clip. Probably try to edit this video and knock it out. Feel me? Either I'm gonna post this on Saturday or I'm gonna post it on Sunday, depending how I feel. But nah, all in all, I have fun tonight. Feel me? It's been a long little minute. It's just like everybody or damn near everybody out the group chat, the quad group chat at least, came outside, had some fun, you feel me? Nah, that shit was fun though, I ain't gonna lie. I gotta get back posting though, you feel me? I took a little week-long break. I went to Atlanta, good. I got all that on footage. So we gonna drop that video real soon. Y'all see the Widebody fill it back on, you feel me? Widebody, tell it back in the bed, yeah, man. But I'm gonna drop that video also right after this video. But yeah, and I was just driving, chilling. The next few videos, I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna goddamn step on the next few videos. I'm finna like 5 or 6 videos. I'm for real gonna step on. Production gonna be, it ain't gonna be like super up, but like production for sure done went up. We got different angles, different cameras, different quality. God damn, I hate red lights. What I'm saying though, yeah, we got, you feel me, production finna be out for these next videos till we get, you feel me, goal is to get monetized. We finna get monetized 2025, you feel me, that's the goal for the year, get monetized, keep pushing out videos, keep growing, get this car done, so I can start another car, because I do want to get a Corvette. I do want to get a C3 Corvette. I don't want a C6, I want a C3. I'm really trying to get a C3, but we gonna see. We gonna see. Man, we just got done, you feel me, finagling. Whatever you want to call that, but that shit was fun though, I ain't gonna doubt. I don't think I need new tires, because I ain't do too much. You feel me? I ain't want to do too much. I did a little goddamn, you feel me, little spin out. That's about it. You feel me? Did a little spin out, that's about it. But yeah, we gonna end this bit out with a POV drop. Just a little tad bit. Just a little one. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie, bro. I be terrorizing this fucking neighborhood. I be terrorizing this neighborhood. I ain't gonna lie to you, cuz. Yeah, I know we gotta turn the windows down. Turn the windows down. But I ain't gonna lie, tonight was fun though, for sure tonight was fun. It's been a long little minute since the majority of the guys done got together. Went outside, did some dumb ass shit. Yeah, man. But Willie got his car back, as y'all can see. Nigga, y'all ain't see Willie in a minute. He finally got that bit back. Goddamn. Ghost got his own car. That bit of damn, y'all seen that bit, I don't gotta see what it was. Just in the vlog off type shit. Just in the vlog off type shit. Y'all look left, kids, look right. Little downshift, hold on, little downshift. Little downshift before I go. Y'all know I love me a good downshift. On that note, hopefully everybody enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Man, see y'all for later, man.
Hey. Sorry, my nigga want to read, man. Feel like, bro, anything I get on that snap. Hey, I told my nigga I'm round
down with him. If he wrong, he right. Nigga talking that hot shit, have him gone before the night. I ain't tryna squash shit. Pick a side, you better ride. My youngin' slinking hot shit. No boys knowing the